A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquerade. So let us save just a brief discussion. My power is low today, but we just need to do this. So I have seen a lot of issues being sent from various cycles. Somebody sent me a link to the interview, which is right here onto the screen. Yeah, President RUTO. And let us take a look. Kuti President
My family are not participating in any politics. And my family are not participating in any politics. And I'm not saying that they should not. They want to, but they should. But I have made the conscious decision that it is enough that the people of Kenya have given me the honor to be president. It is not in my place to use it to promote my family. It is in my place to use it to promote the children of other people so that they get the same opportunity like the one I have gotten. And that is why I have a very big argument with some of my competitors who use the office they get whenever there is a nomination. They nominate their daughters, nominate their cousins, they nominate. I don't think that's the best way to use opportunity. I think opportunity should be spread. If you have gotten an opportunity, reach out to somebody else to give them a lift, to give them a hand up so that they too can become something. It shouldn't be just around your family.
So it's true, Kuti. That is the vision. If you have such a leader, I think that is the way forward. But Kunoku, you've seen what happened, Kuti. We have so many of them occupying so high positions. So it is what it is. But sometimes we have to learn. We learn from others. We learn about what others are doing. And I believe, Kuti, that is the kind of leadership we deserve. We deserve the RUTO kind of leadership, where you have somebody who prioritizes the people, not prioritizes his own family. Because remember, they have privileges. As people from the first family, they already have privileges, so they must not use all opportunities which are supposed to be going to other people. And I agree with such kind of leadership. That is the leadership we deserve. That is the kind of leadership which we actually need. So let us talk in the comment section, please. Let us talk. What do you think about this?